friends, I just want to take you for a walk through my latest mini album. This is a 10-inch by 7-inch soft spine mini. So soft spine meaning it's got the outer spine that's softer, like sort of like a book cover. I've used the really gorgeous Farmhouse Kitchen by Celebrate this month. And yeah, so I'm opening up onto the first page. Got space to pop things in a pocket, and also to pop things there. If you're anything like me, you've always got bits and pieces of recipes written around or lying around. On page 1 and page 9 we have the same sort of design, very simple, with a landscape and a portrait waterfall. Each page, and I'm actually going to pull them out so you can see, each page has got an insert, and I've made them so that they kind of fit in an order. Let me just show you. I almost got it perfect. Right. So just showing you where you could add photos, where you could add recipes. Okay, so that's the inserts, slot into the end of each page. Then on pages 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, I have done the same design. So I've got a little closure, same closure on each one. I've just positioned it in different places so you could see what it looked like where they were. And if you open that up, inside we have space to write more recipes. So I've chosen to use a black acid-free paper. It's only 160 grams. So I like the effect of writing in white or gold or whatever. So that's page 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then page 3, 5 and 7, I've made a little pocket to add these gorgeous recipe cards that are part of the collection. And I think it would be wise, if you're going to use the actual book, I would probably laminate those. So these three are this page is misbehaving. Had a bit of an issue with my double-sided tape not wanting to stick, so I need to sort that out. I'm actually going to take that right out of the album before it ruins them. So there we've got the recipe cards, and then we've got that little waterfall. And finally on the back page I've added a Miko one so that we could stick bits and pieces at the back. Okay, but also we've got a little see-through place to pop in our other bits and pieces that we don't want to lose along the way. Notes and videos for this mini album are available now. You can contact me if you are interested.